Hi, this is Chris with Kippert's Trailer Sales, and I want to show you this brand new Logan Coach Sport Hauler. This one has a 14-foot living quarters with a 14-foot garage. Let's go inside and take a look at what the features are. So here we are inside the living quarters, and this trailer has an upper bunk area that's a little bit secluded, has an RV queen in there with lighting. Inside the bathroom is a full bathroom with cabinets, drawers, shower, sink, toilet, and a towel rack. This trailer also comes equipped with a full refrigerator and a freezer above, 2-burner cooktop, 2-basin sink. This was ordered with a microwave convection oven. The TV was upgraded to a 32-inch TV. This trailer also has a dinette with storage underneath and storage above instead of the standard couch. Here in the garage area, we have storage cabinets, shelving. This trailer was ordered with the jackknife sofas that fold down into a bed, a work table, an oil rack, and a strap rack. These sofas will easily turn into a bed. It's simply flipping it over, unhooking the legs, and now you've got a bed. They also store like this when you're traveling, and they're easy to drop down and turn into a couch. So come on down to Kippert's Trailer Sales and see me, Chris, about ordering one of these trailers. These things are awesome.